Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tuition by Tanjila. So today we are going to discuss how to add and subtract two matrices by using calculator. So let's get started. Let us consider A equals to 4, 9, 8, 3 and B equals to 1, 2, 1, 3. By seeing the structure, we can identify that both are 2 by 2 matrices, which means there are 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. So now we are going to find out A plus B equal and A minus B equal. So let's get started. At first, switch on the calculator. Go to the menu button, shift right. Press option 4, which is matrix. Define matrix. Any one can be defined or can be selected, no problem. So I'm going to select option number 1, which is matrix A. Now they are asking me the number of rows. The number of rows is 2, number of columns is also 2, as we have got 2 by 2 matrix. Now I'm going to place the values, which are 4, 8, 9, 3. Here we have set the values. Now I'm going to erase this. Now I have to define another matrix, which is the B matrix. So I'm going to option button, pressing option number 1, define matrix. Then I am selecting option number 2, matrix B. Now they are asking me the number of rows, which is 2, number of columns also 2. Now I'm going to enter the values. 1, 2, 1, 3. I have set the value. Now what I am going to do is, I have erased it. Now I am going to the option button. Now I am going to select option number 3, which is matrix A, plus sign. Now again go to option button and press option number 4, which is matrix B, equal. So there I have got the result of addition of A plus B. So let's write it down here. 5, 10, 10, 6. This is A plus B result we have obtained by using calculator. And now I want to obtain A minus B. So let's erase this. Go to option. Press option 3, which is matrix A. Then minus sign. Go to option again. Press option 4, which is matrix B, equal. Here we have obtained A minus B value, which is 3, 6, 8, 0. This is how we can calculate A plus B, A minus B by using calculator. Thank you so much everyone for being with us.